Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'll discuss the conditional statement that you have in Solid language. Okay, so basically, yeah, like any other language, you also have if-else statement, ternary conditions in a Solid language. Okay, so let's explore this with an example. So first of all, I'll be making a file named conditional statement, conditional statements dot sol for Solidity. And yeah, as you already familiar that first of all we just need to comment out the license. Then we need to start with Pragma Solidity and then version. Pragma Solidity and then version is 0.8.0. Okay, so I don't need to start with contract keyword. I'm taking the name example. Okay, so yeah, the thing is that we just need to keep in mind that in Solidity we can't start directly with if-else statement. Okay, I can show you also. This is if you want to start with if-else directly. Okay, so I'm just spacing true. Okay, you can see that I'm getting some kind of error, and this is giving me error that function or variable stack modifier declaration is expected. So basically the thing is that yeah, we just need to wrap this. We just need to wrap our conditional statement within a function if we want to use this in our Solidity language. So yeah, I'll be making a function. Name will be can drive, and this will basically take argument of unsigned integer, and the name is age. So basically I'll be taking an age. Okay, and depending on the age I'll be returning some value that whether the person can drive or not. Okay, depending on the age. Okay, so yeah, first of all I just want to make this as public, and I'll also use the pure keyword. Okay, if you're not familiar with pure keyword, then yeah, I just want to mention that if you are doing anything that is not going to modify your value within smart contract, or you're not going to read any value from the smart contract, then you can use simply the pure. And pure also you can say that it's the function working independently. Okay, so that I'm using pure. I'm gonna returns a string type. Okay, string type. And yeah, as you already know that I just need to mention the memory keyword for the temporary use. Okay, yeah, the thing is that now it's very simple. I just need to specify if, and within this I just need to mention the condition. Here I want to make a condition like if age is greater than equals to 18, then I'm going to return that can drive. Simple, can drive. Okay, otherwise if this is going to wrong, then I'm going to use else statement. Sorry, else, otherwise it's going to return that can't drive. That is very simple. Okay, so yeah, now I can deploy this. So deploy, and okay, yeah, I just need to input a unsigned integer. So okay, so I'm just inputting the 18. So I'll be getting like can drive. If I input some small value like 14 or 15, then you can see that it's can't drive. Okay, so this is a simple example we have. Okay, so yeah, we also have ternary condition. Okay, we also we can also return this statement. Okay, this desired value within a single line. Okay, using the ternary condition. So first I just need to mention the return keyword, and I just need to specify the condition. The condition is age should be greater than equals to 18. If this is so, I'm just checking that is it true or not. If this is true, then it's gonna return can drive. Okay, and if this is false, then it's going to return can't drive. So yeah, it is also very simple. Okay, this is one line statement. Okay, we're gonna get the same desired output. Okay, so first of all I just need to mention the condition and question mark. If this is true, then it's going to return this statement, otherwise it's going to return the after statement, I mean this statement. Okay, so this is very very simple. And this is our result. Yeah, again we are gonna get the same value. If we input 18, then you can see that can drive. If we just input 17, you will be able to see can't drive. Okay, so yeah, you can also use the ternary condition also to get your output in a single line. Okay, and the code will be much cleaner rather than using if-else statement. Okay, and the thing is that yeah, you can also use simple if statement to check any condition, or you can also use the nested if-else statement also. It's up to you. Okay, so yeah, I just want to mention one more thing. The thing is we also can use the require keyword. Okay, so we have a keyword require. Okay, so this is a special keyword that we have in Solid language. It basically has a checking mechanism. Okay, so we can pass our condition here. So the condition is age should be greater than equals to 18. Okay, if this is 18, okay, this single line gonna check if this condition is true or not. Okay, if this condition is true, then it's going to execute all the rest of the statement in this function. Okay, if this is false, then it's not going to execute all the rest of the line, and it's going to directly throw some kind of error. Okay, so if this is true, then only it will return the can drive. Okay, if this checking statement is true, then it's going to execute this line, and in my case it's going to return can drive. Okay, if this is false, okay, then it's going to it's going to throw some error. Okay, it will not execute this line. Okay, so yeah, we also can specify the error we want to throw. Okay, so for my case I'm just want to throw can't drive. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so yeah, we can deploy this. So I input some small value like 16, you will be able to see we're not going to get any output. You can see that I'm going to get an error. Okay, I'm not going to get any output. You can see that's no output, and we are going to see that we can't drive. Okay, because this statement, this taking mechanism is getting the false value. That's why it's not going to execute the rest of the code, and it's going to throw this error that can't drive. Okay, if we input some greater value 18 or greater than 18, let's say 19, then yeah, definitely we'll be getting output that can drive. Okay, and you can see that there's no error. Okay, special keyword that we have in our Solid language. Okay, so yeah, you can use this require keyword. Okay, before executing the rest of the code in a function. Yeah, it's up to you. You can use according to your need. Okay, and yeah, that's all for today's video. I think you enjoy, and thank you for watching, and bye bye. See you very soon.